A snowstorm shows up. Chapter 1. So much snow. Wow, that's a lot of snow. Belle's cousin Dalen shook snow off his coat. Your mom's forecast said we only get a little. Dress warmly to stay safe in cold weather. Remember, your hat and mittens, wear a coat and snow pants to keep your clothes dry. Mom says snowstorms are sneaky, Belle said. Even me
Meteorology.
even meteorologists on even meteorologists don't always know how hard they'll hit or where. Let's talk about snow science. There, Mr. Teacher, Mr. Gavin held up a cup. Sometimes water is liquid. Sometimes water is a vapor we can see. He pointed outside. When the vapor gets cold enough, it freezes. It turns into ice crystal. High in the air, the crystal falls as snow. Mr. Gavin wrote on the board. Water freezes at as 32% Fahrenheit, Celsius. Then a big gust of wind red. The windows take a wiggle break. He said, I need to call the office. Everyone rushed to look outside. Snow was blowing everywhere. Belle couldn't even see the playground. Chapter 2. A blizzard begins. Mr. Gavin hung up. Back to your seats. The storm seems to be turning to a blizzard. We're perfectly safe. What if we get a mountain of snow? Cody yelled. We could be stuck here until summer. I'm scared. I want my mom. We look ready to cry. Belle raised her hand. Hold on. Weather isn't so scary once you understand it. That's right, said Mr. Gavin. And we have a weather expert in our class. Belle, come on up here. Explain to everyone about blizzards. Blizzards are winter storms where the wind gusts at least 35 miles 56 kilometers per hour. The gusts keep happening for at least 3 hours. Lots of falling or blowing snow makes it hard to see. Belle bumped her This is to get the warm air and cold air don't get along, she said. When they meet, the wind gets stronger. In a blizzard, that strong wind blows snow around like crazy. Wind, warm air, cold air. Dylan said, so a blizzard is just a show of snowstorm. Belle nodded, but not all storms are blizzards. Blizzards need big winds. I wish we'd gone home before it started, said Willie. Blizzards already introduced blowing snow, but new snow doesn't always fall during these storms. In ground blizzards, the wind blows around snow already on the ground. But we don't always know blizzards are coming, Belle said. And they can whip up fast. Chapter 3, The Blizzard Party. Mr. Gavins stood up. Great job, Belle. Now, who wants to go a blizzard party in the gym? The whole school came to the party. Belle was blizzard house coach. Chapson. To be safe, stay inside during blizzard conditions. Keep blizzard supplies on hand during the winter. These include both water, flashlight, blankets, a radio, and extra batteries. Finally, the principal wished for quiet. The wind is dying down. Plows are clearing the streets. It won't be long before we can go home. We look at Belle. You said blizzard can happen fast. What if it started again before my mom gets here? Belle gave her a hug. It's okay, Lily. Once the wind has died down, the blizzard's energy will be gone. One won't start up again. Now let's go get another snow cone. In 1993, a blizzard called the Storm of the Century hit 26 states. One town in Tennessee recorded 5 feet. 1.7 meter. 1.5 meters of snow. Winds get over 70 miles, 113 kilometers per hour. Lily's mom walked in while Lily was showing her purple tongue. Guess what, Mom? Said Lily. Belle taught us all about blizzards today. She really is about the weather girl. Do you think we'll have a snow day tomorrow, Belle? I hope so, answered Belle, but stay tuned, because every day is another weather day. Try it. Make a play snow. With an adult, you can make simple household ingredients to make your own play snow. What will you need? About 3 cups of baking soda, large bowl or pan. The cup to 1 cup of white color tint lotion depending on the desired consistency. It's okay to start with less baking soda, then just use less lotion. What to do? Put the baking soda in a large bowl or pan, slowly add a bit of lotion. Mix them together with your hands. Do you notice that your mixer feels a little cold? Keep mixing a small amount of lotion will place snow feels like a real snow. It should be wet enough that you can roll in it into snowballs, but not too wet to make that packs together even more easily. You can also add a little water to mix. Once your snow is ready, you can make a snow potion or a mini snow fort. When you're done, put your snow in sealed container or baggie or for another day of play.